Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to unbox a brand new Dell desktop, Dell optiplex 3240 A.i.O. So guys, I'm going to tell you the specification of this desktop. This desktop has a processor style Intel Core i5, a 6th generation desktop. The processor speed is 3.2 GHz processor speed. The memory of the desktop is 8 GB RAM. The storage is 500 GB HDD. It has a optical drive. The screen size is 21.5 inches. It has keyboard, mouse, power cable. Okay guys, now come with me, let's unbox this desktop. Okay guys, this is the keyboard for the desktop. This is the power cable for the desktop. This is the mouse for the desktop. Okay guys, let's on it so that I can show you the specs and everything about the desktop. This is the specification of the desktop: 3.2 GHz processor speed, 8 GB RAM. The maximum RAM upgrade, you can upgrade it up to 2 GB, which is the maximum RAM upgrade. 64-bit operating system, Windows 10. The storage is 500 GB HDD storage, which can be expanded up to 1 TB or 2 TB HDD or SSD. Okay, it has a Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, and also it has a CD-ROM where you can put a CD to install an app or to watch a movie. Okay guys, this desktop has 4 GB graphics card. See the graphics card. See the 4 GB graphics card. Dedicated share video memory 128 GB MB. Okay. This desktop has a webcam. Okay, you can lock it. You can lock it from here. It has a 4 USB port, 2 here. See the ports. It has 4 USB ports under, 2 here, and 2 at the right hand side. It has HDMI and it has a LAN cable. So guys, this desktop is cool for people that work at office. So thank you guys for watching. On my next video, I'm going to talk about the cons and pros of this desktop, people that need it and people that do not need it, and what this desktop can do and what it cannot do. So thank you guys for watching.